How to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open a Bybit. Now tap on your profile at the top left corner. Now go to settings. Now tap on security. Now enable the toggle for Google two-factor authentication. Now go back to your home screen and open up Gmail. Now open up the mail, copy the code and go back to the Bybit. Tap on continue. Now click on copy key. Now open up Google Authenticator on your device. Now tap on plus icon and now select enter a setup key. Now enter the name Bybit. Now paste a key. Now tap on add. Now copy the code from here. Go back to Bybit and click on next. Now paste the code and that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.